Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to Instagram stories. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to follow is to open Instagram, and then you need to create a random story. So let me create a random story. Okay. Then you need to click on the third option from the top right. Okay. And select music, and you can select any music from here, or if you want you can search music also from the top search bar. So let me add a random music, so this one. Okay, so this is the music that is added. So I do not want this music, so let me add something good. Okay, so this is the music. If you want, you click on that and it will look like this, and then you need to click on done on the top right. Okay, so you can see that music is added. You can drag it anywhere where you want, and then you need to click on share and share your story. So this is a process by which you can add music to Instagram stories. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.